Good morning. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce. And today on Faces of Commerce, we're talking with Pamela Sexton at Cattail Cottage. Good morning, Pamela.
Good morning, Karen. How are you today?
Good. This is such a great shop here on Howe Street. Tell us where you're located.
We are located at 416 North Howe Street. We moved here in January. It was where Rebecca's consignments was located. So we're right before you get to the water tower on the left-hand side if you're driving down Howe Street towards the waterfront.
It's a pretty little yellow building.
Yes.
It's not little.
No, it's not little.
It is not. You've got
triple the size of what I had, so we really expanded this year. It's been a great year.
That's great. I know that when I was in your other shop, it was always kind of cozy and everything, but even with all the extra space, it's still such a cozy, warm shop here.
Thank you. Thank you.
How did you get into retail?
I grew up in retail. My mother owned a shop in Pennsylvania. Before she had her shop, she worked for my uncle. My grandparents were antique dealers, so it's just kind of like a family affair. And I tried to not do it, but then it just kind of came and swooped under me and took me away. So
it's in your blood.
It is. There's no denying that.
Well, you have a great eye and a wonderful way of putting things together on display. So let's take a walk through the shop.
Okay, great. Definitely. Yeah, we're getting ready for Christmas open house, which is starts tomorrow at 10. Runs through Saturday. We know the weather might not be the best tomorrow morning, but it's a great reason to be inside a shop shopping because you won't get wet inside for sure. And we're going to have refreshments. We're going to have homemade cookies. Luna will be here for her meet and greet with all of her fans. She's running around Karen right now.
Okay, let me show you
She's
Luna.
Trying to get Karen excited with her toy.
Luna, say hi. And this is your shop dog.
Yes, she comes to work with me most days.
She's adorable.
Yeah, so we'll just walk through. We've got Christmas in the front. We still have, we missed the fall room, but we can go back around to there. We do still have a great selection of fall items for Thanksgiving. So if you need a hostess gift or some last minute decorations for your home, if you're having folks over for dinner, family over for dinner, we've got some things still left. So,
and we got some Christmas in there.
Yeah,
as well.
that's our front display windows. Yeah, which I love the front display windows. That's my favorite thing to do. So we still kept our beach theme going, but we also have a beautiful beach tree. So if you love beach themed Christmas items, we've got some really cute ornaments this year. I especially love the little Santa painted starfish. They're so cute. So Luna's apparently going to take everybody for the tour.
Oh, we love Luna.
So we walk into the big main room, and we have our big tall Christmas tree, all decorated for tomorrow and the weekend.
That is a tall tree. This is a great space.
And as you can see, we even have a ladder because we are truly still decorating. It's a work in progress. So there'll be some specials tomorrow. I'll have we're going to do 4 gift certificate drawings for $25 gift certificates.
Nice.
And before we finish the video, I'm going to show you all our huge grand prize drawing. It's a gift basket valued over $250.
Oh, wow.
It includes a nice size gift certificate in it, too, so you can come and pick out what you want as well.
Nice.
This is our garden room, and we've got it all decked out. We decked our halls this year for sure.
You really did. It looks fantastic.
Thank you. We're very excited.
So we've got the open house this weekend.
Yes. And then we also have big plans for Small Business Saturday this year, which is the Saturday after Thanksgiving. So that'll be another great event. And then we do, in December, we always do a jingle and mingle where we have local artisans that we represent them. We sell their products here. And we usually have like 1 or 2 of them in the shop, and they come and you can come and meet and greet with them. And also purchase additional items that they bring in for that weekend. And I want to say it's the second weekend of December.
Okay.
Maybe the 9th and 10th of December, I believe.
That'll be good. But they can find out more on your Facebook page.
Facebook, Cattail Cottage. We've got the Facebook page with all that info. Plus our emails that we send out. You can get on our email list if you're not already. You can sign up for that here at the shop. Or email me at cattailcottage@yahoo.com. And our website is always up and running, and that is cattailcottagenc.com.
And you do some online sales through
We do.
there.
We do sometimes do them for our in-store events. Not quite sure what I'm doing tomorrow, but today's the day to figure that out. So it'll be a surprise.
So Cyber Monday's coming up.
Cyber Monday's coming up. Yep, that's after Thanksgiving. That's another online specials day that we'll be doing some fun things on our website for our customers.
But your website year-round has online shop.
Yes, you can shop year-round on it, and we do specials periodically on there.
So if you've seen something in our walkthrough, go on their website.
Yeah, and
check
if you
it
can't
out.
find it there, call us, because we ship all the time. If you need us to ship, or if you need me to hold it, can't get in this week or next week, just have me hold it. I will put it aside with your name on it.
Yeah.
So
Those
we
are
try to
nice.
make it as easy as possible for everyone. And here's our gift basket. I didn't say we were going to check that out.
basket.
So this is the
Yes.
big gift basket. It's got a flag, an Innis Reed diffuser, some cute little hors d'oeuvre trays, a Christmas puzzle, a really cute pair of gloves. And these are cool gloves because you can use them with your cell phone when you're wearing them, and it still works.
Oh, nice.
They're the touchscreen kind. Cute Christmas lights. There's a candle in there. Some delicious salty butterscotch pretzels. These are so good. One of our little graham cracker snowmen. A towel, and you get the little basket as well. And there's also a $50 gift certificate in there. So it's valued over $250. To qualify for this drawing, you come in for open house Friday or Saturday, and if you spend $125 or more, you qualify for this grand prize. Now, we also have the 4 gift certificates we're giving away, and that's a smaller purchase. You qualify for that. I want to say it's maybe $50. I'd have to look at my paperwork at this point to know for sure, but it is a smaller amount. Will qualify you for the gift certificate drawing. So
That's great. So if you're out there doing your Christmas shopping, because I know everybody's doing their shopping early this year.
And I recommend that.
Definitely. Get it
Yeah.
while it's here.
Yeah, get it while it's here. So,
Again, you're at Cattail Cottage, located at,
416 North Howe Street in downtown Southport.
and your hours here?
We're 10 to 5 Monday through Saturday, and Sundays 11 to 4:30.
Wonderful. Well, Pamela, thank you for letting us come in and take a tour today of Cattail Cottage, located in downtown Southport.
Thank you for coming.